Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to do a little bit of spontaneous fishing. The rain stopped while we were out at the store sooner than I thought that it would, and it looks like I've got maybe an hour and a half, 2 hour window before it really starts coming down again. So I just swung by the pond because it's quick and easy. I've got like one fishing rod that's mine, like one fishing rod that's her, and I've got the GoPro, and I think it's mostly charged. So we're gonna do like some one camera shooting here. I'm gonna go check out the boat, which is probably full of rainwater, and see if we can't fish from the boat on the pond today, get ourselves out of the weeds and into some deeper water. So let's check it out. Well, I've been out of the car about 5 minutes. It's drizzling, but we're just going for it now. See how much fishing we can get done. And y'all, you can't see it yet because my hands are full, but the front of the boat is in the water and it is way down in the water, which means it's going to be heavy. And the plug is up on the bank facing the wrong way. Oh man, that's a lot of water. This ain't the most amount of water his boat's ever had in it. Let's adjust this a little. But damn, there's only about 2 foot of the boat on the land. This will be fun. See if we can get it in. See if there's any hope. Oh, this ain't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a nightmare. Oh! That's better. All right. Oh, we're gonna lose the paddle already. I haven't even left the shore. Well, the plug's not leaking. That's a start. Oh. Whoa. Oh, it was water. I thought that was another spider. I was like, holy shit. All right. Man, that Hobie will spoil you. I haven't used a kayak paddle in a long time. Don't mind me, I'm just watching the back of the boat so I can monitor what's water flowing back that was already in here and what's coming in case that plug leaks. Let's get out past the weeds here. Ah. Start out right around here. Not entirely sure how deep it is, but I do have the fish finder with me. I don't do spiders, y'all, so if you see me randomly spazzing, that's why. I saw it. Okay. All right, we got some kind of anchor going. All right, y'all, let's talk about my setup. No surprise here. This is what I keep in the car at all times. This is my Sugalang 5-foot ultralight rod and reel combo with 15-pound Water Champ braid.
a 1/8 ounce jig head, and a Mr. Crappie two-tail white lure made by Strike King. If you haven't heard me talk about this setup before, this rod and reel combination is absolutely fantastic. This lure catches me everything on, I've only been skunked like twice with it out of probably 50 or 60 fishing trips. I mean, super good ratios, and that's why this is my go-to, and it's just always with me. So let's do some fishing. Now what I am gonna do, a company named Lucky sent me this about a year ago, and I have yet to actually use it, but I did charge it up. That is a big fucking spider right there, and it's about to die. Told you I don't do spiders. Anyway, this is a portable fish finder. It's got one that you can cast out, one that you can drop over. I'm just curious about the different depths. Like, I know what the max depth in here is. I'm not 100% sure where all the depths are, though. Like, I don't even know how deep I am right now, but based off the anchor, I'm about, I don't know, I'm gonna guess 12 feet. There we go. I wasn't too far off, 14 feet. Interesting little screen. All right, let's get to it. All right, y'all. So I'm just gonna turn the camera off since I only have the one with me. And if I hook up, I'll turn it back on. So this fish finder is kind of different. I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see it. In that when a fish goes under, it gives you like an estimate of size, and it keeps showing these 13 to 16 inch fish in about 4 to 5 feet of water. And there's something just all along this section, just massive top water strikes, and I've not got to see the actual fish. And it's just like when me and Christian were out here last time, and we said there's a bull shark in here, because whatever it is seems about as big as a bull shark. And me and Christian think it's one of the catfish that we have yet to catch, that we know are in here. But if it's a bass, it's a big one. Small one, but well, it's not too small, but it's small for this pond. But I didn't even realize I was hooked up. I got out of the weeds and then had a real heavy line, and I was like, oh well shit, I picked up a bunch of weeds, and then all of a sudden it jumped out of the water, and I said, oh well, that's not the weeds. Oh, damn it. There we go. Not a bad start. All right, fella. Sean. I don't think it's very big, but it hit pretty big. It made a righteous hit. Yeah, not very big at all, but this little fella sure hit like a big fella. I set the hook so hard, I about yanked him out of the water, I think. All right, little guy, off you go. Yeah, the truth is, whatever that big fish is, it's now smashed the water in this same area like 3 times. That's clearly where it's hunting. So I'm trying to work that edge around where it's breaking. But like I started to say, the reality is it's pretty big, and what I'm throwing may not honestly be big enough. And I'm not sure that my tackle's big enough, because I don't know what that is, but it is a monster. I'm hoping to get one of the water breaks on camera so you guys can see and understand like just how hard it is smashing the surface. Oh, that's right where we want it. That's perfect. Take it. Something was having a play with it. Fish on. This one feels better. Or not. Just another little dink. I really love this shore bag with its little rod holders. Give me that. There you go. All right, little fella. Get your dinky self back in there. Felt like a bigger fish for a moment there. This ultralight setup is super deceiving because every now and then when they smash, it's like, oh, here's a good one. And it's just a dink. More cast. Heard that before, right? Okay, one more cast. Just one. That's a good spot. Oh, I'm on some good weed. Oh yeah, I can see it coming. Can't be the last cast if it's weeds. Gotta redo it. Okay, last cast. All right, y'all, today has been Dink City, clearly. But like I said, spontaneous trip, didn't have a lot of time. At least we got some fish in the boat. My window on the weather is closed and I can hear thunder and it's been spitting a little bit. And since it was spontaneous, I didn't bring anything to like snack on or drink, and I'm good with that, but Kira is not. Her patience has faded. So we're gonna get the boat moved over to the other shore, turned upside down. Might take a quick cruise along the shoreline and see if I can find the fin for my paddleboard, see if it's floated up yet. And then we're gonna get packed up and head on back to the house. All right, I called it just in time, y'all, because we just got back to the house, which is like only about a 10-minute ride, and it's raining on me. There's thunder in the distance, so good timing. I appreciate you all for checking out this video. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that like button down below, and don't forget to hit subscribe. I really appreciate all of my followers. You guys give me like a renewed motivation to make these videos, because as fun as they are, sometimes it feels like work. Not often, but sometimes. Good work, but work nonetheless. And knowing that I have new subscribers every day just drives me ahead and really motivates me to keep making these videos. So what do we want them to do, Kira?
I forgot.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
See you on the next video. Peace.
Well, we hoped you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more great videos from the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel, don't forget to click subscribe. And while you're at it, hit that little bell so you get notified when new content is available. Please leave us a comment down below and let us know what you thought. And don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.